What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back, welcome back. So the big talk right now is Dogecoin. People are calling it all types of coins, right? Recently, there was a bunch of news. People were talking about it was going crazy. People were like, should I buy? Should I sell? Is it real? Is it fake? Is it a joke? Look, guys, I want you to understand, did Elon Musk kill Dogecoin? Did he kill it or did he save it? Is there a bigger run ahead, right? Those are all the questions people were asking. Just this past Saturday, Elon Musk was on Saturday Night Live where he did a skit and it caused a little confusion in the crypto world. Now, whether you're new or whether you're a veteran with this thing, right, with Bitcoin back in 2017 and earlier, right, there's a lot of coins that are popping up, right? Safe Moon, Safe Mars, all these different things, Ethereum, Litecoin. There's a ton of coins. There's a ton of coins out there, and what you should know is that there's no such thing as a coin being killed. There's no such thing. You only lose money when you sell off the coin. Understand that digital currency, cryptocurrency is here. It's not a thing of the past, it's a thing of the current and the future. Tons of different people are actually adding it to their platform. Nike, Tesla, BMW, right? Some of your favorite stores, some of your favorite banks are adding it to their platform for you to be able to use it as a currency, right? A digital currency. It's just like your dollar, your peso, your euro. It's just a form of currency that's online. And you can invest into these currencies just like anything else. So no matter what Elon Musk said or doesn't say or will say in the future, the coin will never die. Yes, it will lose a little value. We call that the dip. And I want to be able to show you guys how to buy on the dip and be able to hold your coin for a longer period of time. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you right now. We're going to tap into the computer and I'm going to be able to show you exactly how to maneuver with this coin, how it works, how to buy it, how to hold it, what's its current price, and how to actually win off holding Dogecoin, okay? Dogecoin, whatever you call it, I'm going to show you that right now. Let's do it. We're on the computer and I want to be able to show you this, okay? So with the coin itself, I want to show you kind of the history of it. I'm going to go to the monthly chart. I'm going to look at the 1 year chart. I'm going to look at the overall chart. Now, if you see where this coin started out, right, July, we can come all the way back here to July or January, right, and you're going to see kind of how it's moved. It's kind of been pretty steady. You had a small spike here in April 2018. You had a small spike right here, February, right, and then if you started chopping this thing down, the 1 year mark, right, we had a high here at 63 cents. So imagine if you would have bought this coin down here, right? This is where most people miss the wave. When it's this cheap and when it's this low, it's worth investing. It's worth at least, trying it out, taking $20, $50 and then investing into these coins. Because had you bought it at this low down here, this is 0.0048, right? 0.0048. That's not even a full cent. And then you look at it here, it jumped up 0.78, right? Now we're at 7 cents, something like that. Boom, you hop up here. Now you're at 31 cents. 31 cents is still great profit. If you look up here, we made it all the way to 58 cents. Okay, 58 cents. Now we'll come down to the monthly and you'll kind of see it here. We had some 38 cents here. We jump here, 65 cents. You look here, 73 cents, okay? 73 cents. Now we go with the last hour. Like this is current, this is today. This is May 10th, 2021, okay? So if you look here at the date, just at the time, we had 44 cents at a dip. This is what we call a dip. This is where you want to buy this coin. You don't want to buy the highs. You want to buy the lows and then take it up. So even if we would have bought here at 44 cents, we then got 47 cents, okay? Right here, we were at 46. We had a dip down at 44, and then we came back up at 47. See, by the time you hear it on the news, when you hear it on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, that's when the media has it, and now it's at a high. You don't want to buy those highs, okay? You don't want to buy those highs. You want to wait, and you want to buy the dips, so that way you get profit going up. Now, a lot of people are saying Elon Musk killed the coin and all these different things, but I want you to kind of come back and look at market structure. Market structure does not lie, okay? We had the dips down here, and now we have this yellow line being a trend. A trend shows you where price has a reaction, what it's done when it hit that area. So every time it hits this yellow line, we get a push up. Yellow line, it pushes up. Yellow line, it pushed up. Okay, we had some highs here. So had you bought down here, you would have bought it at 22 cents, and then we have the high of 74 cents. Okay, so when you have that, you actually made a profit on that. And that doesn't matter if you have a bunch of coins or you have a little bit of a coin. So even if you would have bought down here at 20 cents, okay, 20 cents was the low, and then we got peaked out at 74. That's a 54 cents difference. 54 cents. So let's just say you would have bought, let's say 100 coins, right? And then you multiply that by 0.54. Even that in itself is a profit. You know, some people buy thousands of coins, millions of coins. If you're buying it at 20 cents, you can afford to buy a ton of coins. And even if it's a risk at the time, as long as you never sell off the coin, you're still going to be always in profit. But I like to show people market structure. No matter what, market structure likes to stay the same. It likes to react in the same places. So even when it made itself back to this yellow line right here, we had a push up. It came back to the yellow line right here. We're looking for another push to the upside. No matter what, we're still uptrending. This is still an uptrend. No matter what happens, this is still an uptrend. The reason why I tell you guys to buy the dips, because had you got in here at 51, you would have peaked out at 73. Had you got down here at 43, you still would have been in profit at 59. Now it's coming back down at 44. We're looking to take this up probably to about around 70 cents. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to take this trade. I'm not telling you to purchase this coin. But what I am telling you is to look at structure. Okay, guys, look at structure. Look at the real movements of the coins. Don't just come in here and buy off hype. Don't just come in here because your friend said it or you're seeing it on YouTube or you're constantly hearing about it over and over again. You know, come in here and do some real research. Really check into it. You can go right to Google, right? Just like anybody else. Type in Dogecoin here. And you can do price, right? That way you can know what the price is for yourself. You can come in here. Any one of these sites will be able to give you the actual current price. And I like to use this right here because it's there. This is Coinbase.com. And these are the live prices here. So right now, the coin is sitting at 47 cents. We're up 18,000% for the day or on the year, right? So if you go to the 1 hour right now, we're down 2.18% on the hour time. So that just goes to show you that no matter what, the overall is still up. No matter what happened here, even with these little pullbacks, we are still in profit. So again, never sell off the coin. Even if you invest in it and you start making some money, take some partial profits, but still leave some money in there. So if you've made $1,000, but you only invested $100, take a good amount of money out. That way you have some profits in your account. You know that it's there, but you leave the rest in with that coin. Now with this, you can actually buy and hold the coin, and I'm going to leave a description in the link below for you to go and actually buy this coin. I'm going to give you this code, and you're actually going to get $25 toward purchasing the coin. That's if you want to buy and hold. Again, that's going to be in the description below for you to purchase the coin and get $25, all right? So now the next thing is I want to teach you guys about trading the coin, right? I want to show you how to trade the coin. Some people like to buy and hold. I personally like to trade it and actually make my money daily by utilizing a trading platform, which will also be in the description below. You can do that. That's through my CryptoGuru.club. CryptoGuru.club is teaching individuals how to trade the coin and not have to buy and hold. Now, what that looks like is that we purchase down here. We actually take this trade up. We make money. We take our money out. We purchase back in here. We take our money to the top, and then we withdraw our money again. And you can do this over and over and over again using CryptoGuru.club, right? It's in the description below, so you'll be able to have access to that. And I'll be showing you exactly how I buy, how I trade it, things like that. Because holding the coin, most people don't have the patience to hold the coin. Think about the individuals who bought Bitcoin, right? Let's go look at Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin USD. I want you to look at this. And I want you to see the history of this and understand that these things don't happen overnight. Sometimes people have to hold this for years, weeks, days, right? So we look at this, right? 2005. You look at this. 9. Here. 20. Here. 21, 21, right? If you held this coin way back over here, you were holding it for years at a time. Holding. Boom, you had a spike up, you had a spike up, you had a spike up. But no matter what, if you mark this up, this is still going up. No matter what happened, no matter about the dips that happen along the way, you're still moving in the up direction, meaning you're still making profit on your initial investment. But again, like I said, you're not looking to make this money in a day, in a week. This is a long-term investment into the coin. Back over here, people didn't know what it was. People didn't know what this coin was. They didn't know if it was real, if it was a joke, if it was a scam. They didn't know what it was. But as time kind of moved, now you have more platforms integrating it into their payment system. The NBA is actually paying individuals using cryptocurrency. Nas actually invested into a cryptocurrency platform, and he's made so much money off of that, right? Understanding that this is something that's going to unfold with time, just like anything else. Now, that's the same thing with this coin here, the Dogecoin. It's doing the same thing. History is going to repeat itself. Look at this. Look at the same situation that's happening right here. It looks exactly like Bitcoin did. But the individuals who held that Bitcoin, right? Look, April 21st, 2021. That was the start of the coin. That was the start. If you can see, there's nothing else on the chart. This is the start of the coin right here. And then it got all the way up here. 39 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, 74 cents. It peaked at an all-time high at 74 cents. You don't think that more platforms are going to integrate this coin just the same way? You don't think that other companies are going to get involved with this coin and utilize it for their systems? And this coin is going to continue to shoot up. As you can see right here, even this little pullback right here, this dip right here didn't even take us below the initial low. This was the initial low. The all-time low is here. Even this little small dip, we're still up. We're still in profit. So understand, like, these things take time, guys. It takes time. But I want you to be able to trade it and make money along the way. So again, click that link in the description, cryptoguru.club, and you're going to be able to get that secret platform to where you're going to be able to trade this currency. You're going to be able to trade it versus the US dollar, and you're going to actually be able to make money. So now I'm going to hop into my phone, and I'm going to show you exactly how that's going to work. All right, guys, so now we're back, and I want to be able to show you exactly how you can trade this coin on a daily as opposed to buying and holding. Now, you can do both. You can trade it and you can buy it and hold it utilizing the two links that are in the description below. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and download the app using the cryptoguru.club description below. And then once you get that downloaded onto your phone, you're going to get into it and you're going to have your account. And what you're going to want to do is come here, hit the plus button, and you're going to want to go to cryptos. And you have access to all the cryptocurrencies right here, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to click right here, hit the plus button, hit done. Now we actually have the coin here to trade versus the US dollar. You can hold it down and you can see the charts. You know, you can see the charts just like we see the charts on anything else. You got the ups, the downs, the highs, the lows, the dips. Come down to a smaller time frame. And let's just say we want to trade this. I want to show you guys how this works trading. Okay, so let's just say we want to do that and we want to buy it, right? We hit buy. Now the green line is where we entered the trade, okay? So let's just say I wanted to come in and I wanted to sell it as well. I want to buy it and sell it just so I can show you guys for the example. Now we come over here, we have a buy in and we have a sell in just so you can see it. Once one of these goes blue, that means we are in profit, okay? Once one of these goes blue, you're in profit. So we're actually trading the coin. We're not buying and holding. We're actually trading it. That's a difference. We're just predicting the direction of the coin, and we're going to be able to make money off of that instantly. So as you can see right now, we have one that's $3 in profit. The other one is negative $75 in profit. But you see exactly how fast this can go. If we come back over here, this is what we're looking at. We have our green top line. Anything above our green line, we're in profit right now. Anything below us, we are negative. So as you can see, like right here, we're in profit on that particular buy. Now we know that the overall trend is an uptrend, right? We know that. We got into the trade. We know that if we hold this for a day, couple of hours, couple of weeks, whatever you choose to do, it's going up. We already looked at that on the previous on the computer, so we know that the trend is up. We know that there's dips. We know that those things are happening. So all we're looking for are better entries for the buy. If you look at this, this is a 1 minute. This is a 1 minute chart. On the 1 minute, it's been going down. Our ideal entry would have been somewhere down here. Somewhere down here would have been our ideal entry, because we know on the overall, on the daily, look how we're going up. We're definitely going up. These are dips. See right here, it dipped, we took it up. It dips right now, we're gonna take it back up. These are just dips. So we treat this the same exact way as we do anything else. Now look, we're $30 in profit. Let's say I wanted to take some of this money, right? I could take some of this money down, right? I took $28 in profit. Well, I took $9 in profit. $9 in profit, and now I'm still in the trade. And if I wanted to get back in, I could get back in right now for another sell, right? Now that blue, we're in profit again, right? And we can do this all day. We can do this as much as we want. We don't have to wait. And we're still buying and holding. We're using the other platform that I showed you, and you can hold this coin for years at a time. But in the meantime, while you're holding the coin, you could be trading the coin as well. It's exactly what we're doing right now, is trading the coin. Now we're in profit, right? I'm going to come here. I'm going to close it, right? So now we're up $28 in profit, and we still got 2 trades running. Okay, we got 2 trades running, and we just made $28 in profit. And we've done that in less than 5 minutes, right? Again, this is trading the coin. This is not buying and holding. So you can do this as much as you want, as often as you want. The risk is a little lower because you don't have to put as much money in. You can trade this on a 10 cents per move. You can do $1 per move, $20 per move, $50 per move, as long as it's going in your direction based on what you told it. If it's going down, every move it makes going down from your entry, you're making money. If you say up, every move up from your entry, you're making money, right? So now we have these 2 trades right here. They're still running. We can let these things run. One's going up, one's going down. I wouldn't suggest doing a buy and sell. I'm only doing that for the trading purposes. I would choose one direction and I would stay in the trade for that direction. All right, cool. So you see it's happening here. Boom, we're still good. Made $28 on this trade, on this total thing. And that's how you trade the coin. Now, guys, again, if this is something that you want to learn, this is something that you're interested in, I actually have a course where I teach you how to trade in the foreign exchange market, and you can actually trade cryptocurrencies, right? This is something I'm able to teach. I have over 300 plus students, and I teach this every day. We trade all the coins, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, Doge, whatever cryptocurrency there is, we actually trade it, and we actually treat the markets like anything else. We read these markets and we actually make trades based off structure, not off hype, not off gossip. We actually trade off structure. So guys, if that's something that you're interested in, please, please, please follow me on Instagram, send me a DM, send me the word crypto, and I'll know that you watched this video and that you're more interested in getting information about how to trade cryptocurrencies. And I'll see you guys at the top because the bottom is way too common.